Back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change a language on your Facebook to any language that you want to change to. So let's dive in. We are already on our Facebook page. So you click on this menu button here. You can see. Then you scroll down here. You're going to see language. So click on the language, and I'm already on English United Kingdom. You can see. So you can search and browse for any language that that you wanted to change to. So you can say it is very easy. Just click on it, and say this is changing my language. This is changing my language. Let's change it finish. I'm going to change it back. My language is changing. This is it. It has changed to this one now. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to change it back. Do you see? Oh, this is French. I do not even understand French. So just go back to this menu button. Then you scroll down here and you see language, say access professional. All right, click on this. Then you come down here. Wow. Let's go and change it back. Come to this button menu. Then you scroll down here. Click on your settings. Okay, guys, we are changing our language back. Okay. Language. Oh, I've understand French now. Let's see. Guys, you have to give me some gifts. So just click on English. Then we have automatically set up our language back to English. You said it's very easy. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, and comment.